Good afternoon, children. So, in the previous class, what we learned, children? We learned about the multiplication of integers and the cases we learned. So, what is the first case? Product of positive and positive integer is, what is the product is positive. Okay. And second case is, what is the second case? Product of one positive and one negative integer is, what is the product? You get negative integer. Okay. And in the third case is the product of one negative integer and one positive integer is negative integer. And the last case is product of negative integer into negative integer is product. Product is positive integer. Did you understand, children? Product of two positive integers is positive, and product of one positive, one negative is negative, and the product of one negative and positive is negative, and the product of two negatives is positive integers. Okay. And what the note we learned? What are the notes we learned yesterday? If the same sign of two integers is positive integers. Here see, same sign for integers. So that's why you're getting positive integer. Here also same sign is there. So we'll get positive integer. Okay. If the sign is different of two integers is negative. See here one is positive and there is negative. We'll get negative. Here negative is there, here positive is there. We will get negative integer. Did you understand, children? This is the yesterday's class we learned. Okay, ma? And I gave the homework to fill the grid. I hope you all are finished. Okay. Next one, I will share the screen, children. Example problems is there. I will share the screen. You can do. Okay. I will explain that answer. See this one, see, children. Example 1. A sump is full of water. When the motor started pumping, the level of water decreasing to 2 inches per minute, then what is the level of water from the ground level after 20 minutes? Okay. After 20 minutes, you have to find. Now, sump is full of water and the motor started pumping, the level of water decreasing 2 inches per minute. Then what is the level of water from the ground level after 20 minutes you should find. So here what is the question given here? Water is decreasing per minute 2 inches and you should find the ground level after 20 minutes. Okay. So you should find the level. So what is the solution here? The change in level of water per minute minus 2 inches. Why? Because here writing minus 2 inches, children. Because it is decreasing 2 inches per minute. Decreasing means it is negative. So that's why we are writing minus 2 inches. The level of water after 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, what is the level of water you should find? So 20 into per minute, how many inches? Minus 2. So 20 into 2, how much? 40. Here minus is there, no? So minus 40 inches. So the level of water in sump is 40 inches depth from the ground level. So level of water is 40 inches depth from the ground level. Did you understand, children? Now all of you write in your books this one answer. Okay. Did you finish now? Next, example 2, listen, children. An elevator begins from 20 meters above the ground. It descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meters per minute. What will be its position after 15 minutes? So an elevator begins from 20 meters above the ground. It descends into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 minutes per minute. Per minute it will be descends per minute 6 meters. What will be its position after 15 minutes? You should find out. Same as it is first example only. Okay. Since the elevator is going down, it will be going down means which you have to take positive integer and negative integer. It will go down means you should take negative integer. Okay. So change in position of the elevator in 1 minute. So in 1 minute, what is the change rate? 6 minutes. So it will be moving down means you should take negative. So that's why we are taking minus 6 meters. Okay. Next, change in position of the elevator in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, what is the change you should find? So that's why 15 into minus 6. 15, 6, how much? 90 meters. Here one negative is there, no? That's why you should take minus 90 meters. So the final position of the elevator is 20 plus of minus 90. Why? Because here we are taking 20. Elevator begins from 20 meters above the ground. 20 meters above the ground. So that's why you should take 20 meters. That is plus 20. Above the ground means you should take positive. So 20 plus of, and depth is minus 90. So 20 plus of minus 90, how much? Minus 70 meters. So the elevator is at 70 meters below the ground level. Okay, children? Did you understand now? Okay, now write. Next example 3C, children. In a test, 5 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 3 marks are given for every incorrect answer. So Lakshmi gets 45 correct and 15 incorrect answers. What is her score? Okay. So in a test, for every correct answer they are given plus 5 marks. And for every incorrect answer they are given minus 3 marks. So Lakshmi gets 45 correct and 15 incorrect answers. What is her score you should find? Okay. So what is the solution is there here? Marks given for one correct answer. How many marks given for every correct answer? 5 marks. Next, marks obtained for 45 correct answers. So Lakshmi gets 45 correct answers. So 45 into 5. How much? 225 marks. Marks given for one incorrect answer. For every wrong answer, what they are given marks? Minus 3 marks. Okay. Marks obtained for 15 incorrect answers. For 15 incorrect answers, how many marks we got? 15 into minus 3. That means 15 3 is 45. One negative is there now. That's why minus 45. Now, Lakshmi's score. So, total correct answers, how many? 45. So, 45 into 5, how many? 225. So, correct marks, how many? 225 marks. And incorrect answer marks, how many? Minus 45. 225 plus minus 45 is equal to how much? 225 minus 45? 180 marks. So, Lakshmi got how many marks, children? 180 marks. Did you understand, children, how to do? For every correct answer, 5 marks. And she got 45 correct answers. So 45 into 5, 225. And for every incorrect answer, minus 3 marks gave. And she got 13 incorrect answers. So 15 into minus 3, minus 45. Now total score how much? 225 plus of minus 45. How much? 180 marks she got. Okay, children? Come on, write. Next one, see children, exercise 1.1. Multiply the following. 5 into 7. How much? 5 sevens? 35. Why? Because here both are positive integers only. So you should write 35. Next, second one, see. Minus 9 into 6. 9, 6, how much? 54. It is positive or negative, children? Answer. Yes, negative. Why? Because here one negative and one positive. So you should write minus 54. Like that you can do homework, children. First Roman you can do homework. Can you do, children? Okay. Next, second one, see children. Which is greater? 2 into minus 5 or 3 into minus 4. 2 into minus 5 or 3 into minus 4, children. How can you do this one, children? 2 into minus 5. So which one is greater? This is the second Roman exercise 1.1. So which one is greater? 2 into minus 5 or 3 into minus 4? How can you do? So how can you do 2 into minus of 2 into 5 or minus of 3 into 4? Minus 2 5 how much? 10 or minus 3 4 12. Which one is greater? Minus 10 or minus 12? Minus 10 is greater. Why? Because in the negative integer, which is the smallest one, that is the greatest integer. Okay, children? So minus 10 is greater. So therefore, 2 into minus 5 is greater than 3 into minus 4. Like that you can do this one, children. I will send the pic to your group. In your group, you can do the homework. First Roman and second Roman, you can do the homework, children. Okay, children? Come on, write. I will send the pic in your group. You can do the homework, first Roman and second Roman. Look at here, children. Exercise 1.1, second Roman, first sum. Which is greater, 2 into minus 5 or 3 into minus 4? So here minus is there, no? This minus will be taken into before numbers. Minus of 2 into 5 or here also minus is there. I will bring it to front of the numbers. Minus of 3 into 4. Minus of 2 into 5. How much 2 5? 10. Next minus of 3 4 how much? 12. And which one is greater? Minus 10 or minus 12? In the negative numbers, which is the least number, that is the greatest number in the negative integer. So minus 10 is greater than minus 12. So which one is greater? Minus 10. So which one is minus 10 here? 2 into minus 5 is greater than 3 into minus 4. Okay, children? Like that you can do the second Roman sums. I will send the pic in your group. You can do the homework. Okay, ma? Come on, do.